Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the table file rendering feature in LiDAR360. For CSV or tree DB files generated by individual tree segmentation, we can import and display them in the viewer and set parameters to show different display effect. We can add data through the layer, select tree DB or CSV file to import and set parameters. These settings will also automatically appear when generating segmentation results. TreeDB file can only be opened as table file. We can choose to display the seed points as points or circles. XYZ controls their location, which can be selected through a drop-down menu. Show labels controls whether labels are displayed. The labels can be individual tree attributes, also can be selected from the drop-down menu. CSV file can be opened as table or point cloud. We can repeat the above steps. After setting the parameters, click Apply. Then you will see that the table has been displayed in the viewer as we set. That's all for the table rendering operations. Thank you for watching.